Good day. This is Raymar Ihara, Special Assistant to the Mayor for Environmental Concerns and current OIC of Sisimbo. On this momentous occasion, on behalf of Mayor Michael Lopez Rama, the Mayor of our radiant and dynamic city, I am profoundly honored to extend my most heartfelt support and commendation to each and every one of you. You are the heartbeat of the Metro Cebu River Scan Challenge, a pioneering endeavor that stands at the cusp of innovation and environmental stewardship in our beloved city of Cebu. Let me begin by expressing the unwavering support and enthusiasm from the city government of Cebu and the mayor for this outstanding initiative. It is initiatives like the Metro Cebu River Scan Challenge, a brainchild brilliantly brought to life through the partnership between the University of San Carlos and its esteemed Dutch university partners, that exemplify our collective commitment to the environmental sustainability and vitality of our urban landscapes. The critical concerns of environmental sustainability and water resource management are now more pronounced than ever, demanding our immediate attention and action. Through its holistic and innovative approach to these issues, the Metro Cebu River Scan Challenge represents a beacon of hope, signifying a collaborative effort to identify, analyze, and implement practical solutions to enhance the health and sustainability of our invaluable waterways. Amidst the diverse threats posed by climate change to our natural environment, livelihoods, and urban infrastructure, this challenge provides an unparalleled platform for community-driven initiatives to flourish, ushering in a new era of sustainable urban development akin to the esteemed standards of a Singapore-like city. We stand together, united in our own efforts to craft a resilient, sustainable, and bright future for Cebu City and Mandaue City, fully aligned with our Sustainable Development Ordinance and our adherence to global sustainable development goals. The synergy between local and international academia, governmental entities, industry leaders, and community stakeholders lays the foundation for a united front against the multifaceted challenges of climate change and urban development. It is through these collaborative endeavors that we can foster the creation of scalable, sustainable environmental solutions, benefiting not only the present, but ensuring the prosperous future for subsequent generations. As we eagerly anticipate the unfolding of the final program of the Metro Cebu River Scan Challenge, Mayor Michael Lopez Rama and the Cebu City government commit to providing unwavering support for all its phases and the groundbreaking endeavors that will emerge from this project. We are confidently looking forward to the innovative solutions and actionable strategies that will play a pivotal role in safeguarding and revitalizing our rivers and water systems. In closing, I urge each participant to remain committed to this noble and vital cause. Together with our collective expertise, enthusiasm, and dedicated efforts, we are not just part of a challenge, we are a part of a transformative movement towards a greener, more resilient, and environmentally responsible Cebu City. Together, let us champion the Metro Cebu River Scan Challenge as it embodies our shared dreams and ambitions for a sustainable future. Here's to paving the way towards a resilient, vibrant, and Singapore-like Cebu City for us and future generations to cherish. Thank you and more power to all of us in this significant endeavor.